frustrated by not being able to access Deepseek? Let's get you back in fast. This video is your guide to fixing those pesky Deepseek login issues, from forgotten passwords to authentication hiccups. First, the most common culprit of forgotten password: look for the forgot password or reset password link directly on the login screen. Click it. You'll likely be prompted to enter your registered email address once submitted. Check your inbox and spam folder for a password reset email from Deepseek. This email will contain a link to create a new password. Follow the link and carefully create a strong, new password. Remember, for security, it should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password and save it securely. Still stuck? If you're facing account recovery issues or believe your account might be locked for other reasons, it's time to contact Deepseek support. Navigate to the Deepseek website and look for their support or contact us section. You'll usually find a contact form or email address. Clearly explain your login problem, including any error messages you're seeing, and provide your account details so they can assist you. Be patient, as support teams work diligently to address each request. Once your password is reset or your account is verified, you should be able to log in. If you encounter persistent authentication errors, double-check your internet connection and try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. With these steps, you should be back to enjoying all that Deepseek has to offer without any further login frustrations.